Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul, and I do hope that you don't mind that I am looking comfortable, no makeup, all that good stuff. Getting ready to go to work here in a little bit and just didn't want to start early. It's been a hectic last couple of days. So I did want to just hop on here real quick. It's a fairly small Dollar Tree haul. I do have quite a few items, but I think it's going to go pretty quick. So I did want to get on here and quickly film this for you and show you these products. So before we get into the video, just make sure you are subscribed if you are new here for more Dollar Tree oriented content. Welcome back to all of my Dollar Divas. And as always, I will have my Dollar Tree playlist in the description box if you love Dollar Tree oriented content. So make sure you binge watch that playlist. And without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So you saw them in my thumbnail. I found those signs. Actually just recently saw them hauled by Thrifty Tiffany here on YouTube, and I was very shocked to actually find these in my Dollar Tree, because a lot of times I don't really get this like farmhouse type stuff at my Dollar Trees. I don't know why. I guess it just goes really quick because the farmhouse style is kind of all the rage. But yeah, you saw them. They're these love and home signs. I love this. The love one is like probably my favorite. But yeah, the really cool thing about these is the wreath is actually on there. And I saw something very similar to this fairly recently at like TJ Maxx or Marshall's, I believe. It was a sign that had like the raised wreath. That looks way more expensive than $1. We all know these are gonna run you, good amount of money at your local like home goods stores and stuff like that. So very excited to find both of these. Could not believe it. Let me know if you've run into these yet. If not, then definitely be on the lookout. Because like I said, I was very surprised to see them at my Dollar Tree. So picked up one of each of those. I got a food item that I want to get out of the way. These are a bargain at the Dollar Tree. So I pick them up when I can, just for a little snack. This is like the perfect little snack in between shows. And it's this Brunswick brand tuna salad, but I've never seen this flavor before. This is the lemon pepper. And of course it comes with crackers, a little spoon, just very, very convenient to eat. The regular flavor of these, I don't taste the difference between that and the Bumblebee, I think it is. And they are a steal at the Dollar Tree. At $1 a piece, I've paid more than $1 for like them individually. And even if you buy them in the 3-pack, you're paying quite a bit. Definitely paying more than $1 per box. So yeah, like I said, I was very excited to see this flavor. I had not tried it yet. And like I said, a steal for $1 a piece. And very convenient, and like I said, just the perfect thing for me personally on a 2-show day, just for a little pick-me-up. So I picked up 2 of those. So then I picked up 2 of these, something you've seen on my channel before, and I think one of them I'm gonna put in a giveaway. I'm actually gonna be doing a Dollar Tree giveaway here soon. It's been a while since I've done a giveaway, so I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So I purchased 2 of the Ioni lash glues. You've seen this before. I use this all of the time. One is a backup for me because I think I'm out of backups. And the other is gonna go into a giveaway because I do have Ioni lashes in the giveaway and realized I don't have any glue and I don't want to send someone lashes without glue. So one is for me and one is for you. So definitely stay tuned for that giveaway. And then I bought one of these for myself a couple of weeks ago, and I saw them again and I picked up 2 more. I have been loving this, and I thought this would also be great to put in a giveaway, but I also picked one up for one of my friends, and it's this Maybelline lip color palette. So you've seen this recently on my channel. I've used it in a Get Ready With Me. Yeah, it just kind of has all your colors. It's got your nudes, your pinks, your reds, plum. You get a dark plum in there, and it comes with a little brush. Really nice, really great for travel. Goes on creamy smooth. So like I said, I got 2. One for a giveaway and one for a friend of mine. So they still had a whole bunch of them when I went. I think this was at a different Dollar Tree. So definitely if you're interested in this, keep an eye out at your Dollar Tree because I've seen these on a couple different occasions. So I decided to leave the Christmas stuff for the end of the video because I know I've probably been boring you to tears with all the Christmas stuff first. So now I've got a few Christmas items that I picked up. So again, if you've been on this channel, as far as home decor goes, I'm obsessed with 2 things. Table runners and little signs. And I don't even use all the signs. I just like to have signs just in case. So I found this. I thought this was really cute. And they had a couple different styles, but I just picked up this one right here. So it's a thick piece of wood. And this one says Happy Holidays with that scene. And it's kind of like a mason jar shape. And it has this little ribbon. So I thought that was really, really, really cute. I think I am going to find a place to put this currently in my home. So I don't know, we'll see. Either that or it's going to go in a box for another year. Then I found these. They had, I think, 3 or 4 different styles of these, and I picked up 2. So I thought this was beautiful. It's one of those little hollow signs, so you can either sit it up on a surface or you can hang it, and it just says, it looks like kind of whitewashed wood, and it says Season's Greetings. And there was another one that had like holly berries or some other design and had a different saying, but I liked this one better, so I just picked up this one right here. And then this one here was really, really cute as well. The same style, it just says Let It Snow on it. So again, really nice, just little things that you can tuck away and put somewhere. You know, if you have like an emergency decorating situation, and you know, sometimes we don't need expensive stuff everywhere all the time. I'll mix in my Dollar Tree decor with my more expensive decor, and we're all just one big happy family. So a couple more items. I have a friend that I want to send a Christmas card to this year. I'm not really a Christmas card person. I love to receive them from people, but I'm not a sender of them. But I do have a friend that I want to send one to this year, so I love to get my cards at the Dollar Tree. Y'all, if you're not getting cards at the Dollar Tree, you're spending way too much money. So I only wanted 1 card, but there are lots of sections of the Dollar Tree where they're 50-cent cards. You get 2 for $1. They have some sections where you get 1 card for $1, but then there are some where you get 2 for $1. So I got this one here. This one says With Warm Thoughts of You, and it's got glitter on it with this little snowman. It's so cute. And that's the inside. And it says, the nicest part of the holidays is remembering and wishing special people like you the best of everything. So I thought that was really nice with the envelope. And it's this Heartline brand from Hallmark. This is also the same brand, and this is just a very nice generic Christmas card. It says Merry Christmas on the front of it with that tree, and it's got some glitter on it too. Nothing messy. And the inside of it right here, it says, with many warm wishes, especially for you, for a wonderful Christmas and New Year too. So like I said, you can't beat them at $1 a piece, certainly not at 2 for $1. Buy your cards at the Dollar Tree, you guys. That's all I have to say about that. And the last item, and I was a little hesitant to pick these up because I generally don't buy things that plug in at the Dollar Tree. Mini sets of lights are kind of hard to find, like little mini sets of Christmas lights. And in my background, when I don't have this Christmas tree here, of course, you know, if you've been here with me, I have a little plant with a little set of like lights. It's like a 15 or 20 string thing of Christmas lights on it. And they're hard to find. And I only have that on when I'm sitting here filming, and then I unplug it. So I figured, what could this hurt? So it's this little set of lights. They had colored and clear. It's a 20 count of lights. It's 5 feet long. It's for indoor use only. It's got green wire. It's got spare bulbs. It says that the bulbs will remain lighted if one burns out. So it's 5 feet long. Apparently it says that where the lights are is about 3 feet, which is great. It's got green wire, and it's not connectable, which is exactly what I need for that little plant. So we're gonna go ahead and take them out and we'll try them out. And so they come like this. They look like any set of lights that you would get anywhere else. And usually if I do find like a little box of lights, like a 20 or 50 or something like that, usually it's at the end of the year and I'll buy a bunch of them up on clearance. So, but I can't always find them where there's just 20 or less than 50 on a string. So this is exactly what I need for that plant. You can kind of see it's not even like where the lights are, it's not even my wingspan. So that is perfect. So here they are, they work perfectly. And yeah, that'll be a really great addition for when I have that plant here. So yeah, I think for $1, really can't beat it, especially for the purpose that I'm using it for. So I hope you enjoyed another Dollar Tree haul. Definitely check out my playlist for more videos like this. If you enjoyed this video, as always, hit that like button and share it with people that you know like videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.